Since it's Valentine's Day, let's make a quick Valentine's Day video to advertise your books. Especially useful for romance writers. Okay, create a design, and we are going to go for TikTok video. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we teach authors how to use Canva for book marketing. If you are an author and would like to talk to other authors about how to use Canva, come join the Facebook group. It is free and the link is in the description. If you'd like some free stuff, link is also in the description. If you like my videos and you'd like to say thank you, there's a little donation link there where you can buy me a cup of tea. Alrighty. So we're going to start with, we're going to go here and we're going to search for Valentine's Day. And I searched through a whole load of these and I found, now most of these are Canva Pro. Oh, come on. Really? Okay. So I found this. Which is free. And it's quite cute. And what it looks like right now, without editing it, it's just XOXO, which is fine. Bit Gossip Girl, but fine. But what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the XOXO and we're going to put our books in there. So I want to put 3 or 4 books in, depending on how many I can fit. So we're going to go to Elements and we are going to search for Frame e-reader, I think Frame Kindle. This is what I found. So I'm going to put it in there and shrink it to a good size. Let's fit it in the middle. And then duplicate. So you can either hit duplicate there or hit Control D. Same thing. Control D again. There we go. There's our 3 books. And then we're going to go and get our book covers, which you should already have uploaded. And if you haven't, just click on Upload Files, go and find your file on your computer, double click on it, and it'll eventually show up in here. So one top tip, when you are uploading your files, give it a name that you can remember so that you can find it again. I'll do a video on tagging and stuff, so these should be tagged. Yeah, it says book cover. Look. Knowing me, knowing you. Aha. Playing for Love. Still my favorite out of these 3 because it is so cute. Right. Now what we're going to do, so at the moment it's just a static image that looks like that, which, you know, you could use just as it is. But I liked that kind of poppy thing that they had. So we're going to do this. We're going to go to click on the first cover, click animate. We're going to find pop. And we're going to do the same for the next one and the next one. And then we want them to pop at slightly different times. So that one is going to come in first. So let's give it 3 seconds to come in. Yep. And then 4 seconds after that, this one's going to come. So 4.3. And then 4 seconds after that, this one's going to come in 3.9. Oh, come on. Where's 3.9? All right, 3.8 then, if you must. Okay, now let's see what that looks like. That's quite cute. Oh, I've got to change this generic thing here to my website. Let's close this and go back to this nice big view so that I can see what I am doing. I'm an old lady, I can't see that well. Right, put my website in there. And then all you have to do is save it and share. So the Canva already has loads of templates. So just adapt a template and share it, and you have something ready to go for Valentine's Day. If you found this video useful, please tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. We'll be back to talking about video editing. I'll see you in the next video.